Just like colors in a palette, every person brings something unique and beautiful to our community. From art workshops to music sessions, there's always something at the Lambda Youth Drop-In Center. With countless ways to express yourself, whether you're an artist, a writer, or a performer, or somewhere in between, there's a space for you here. Share your story, listen to others, and find your voice in a community that values every word. Need someone to talk to? Our staff is here to provide confidential support and guidance for whatever you're going through. Meet new friends, find allies, and build connections that last a lifetime. Come as you are, loud and proud. At Lambda, every identity is embraced and celebrated. Whether you're here for an hour or all day, Lambda is your home away from home. Join us at the Lambda Youth Drop-In Center, a place where every color, every story, and every person is valued. If you'd like to learn more about Horizon Services Project Eden, please visit our website at horizonservices.org.